Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put these terminals on it. They're supposed to be factory original ones, and I'll tell you what, they certainly look like them. This is the positive. I mean, obviously all this corrosion has, they used to be silver. And there's the number for that one. And this is where I got them, this website. I'm not affiliated with it or anything, but, and then here's the negative. You can see they look totally different as they do here, but they look identical in comparison to what came on this truck. So there's those. And I got these in a combo pack. I think they were like $23. So pretty good deal, I thought. Get these off here. Okay, so now the power's disconnected. Take this one off of here. And just move along. As you can see what they look like. Just going to clean these up a little bit. I'll get some cleaner. And then you could just take them off the, then I'm just going to replace those, which is nice. You don't have to like replace the whole cable or anything. But I think it's the best way to do it, because the battery's holding everything down, you can get at it. Oh, and these bolts here, this is a 10. Well, that's what I used. Of course, it's a little bit big, but I think it was so corroded that it shrunk. This one, I'm assuming it was supposed to be a 10, but it has shrunk down from all the corrosion, and it uses a 9. And a matter of fact, it's like actually tapered, like it's more corroded on the inside than it is now. I think I switched it around last time I put it in here because I didn't have any of these sitting around and I needed to use the truck. So I was like, well, I'll just put it in here best I can. I'll show you the comparison of these to the new terminal ends. Okay, this is the ground. Put it there. And here is the it even has the like little cutouts inside, I guess the little things that grip. And then this, as you can see, they're made identical. Oh, I got this bent out of shape, but they're identical. And this is a 10mm. You would never work on this. Like, it would just spin. Like, you won't even grab it. I was using a 9mm wrench. That's how corroded that this thing has gotten. And just ate down to nothing. I just used this to spread this open with a screwdriver. And you can pull it off. We'll do a comparison here on that one. There's this is for the positive side, which is what I just took off. And it looks like this. Here is the old one. You can see it's got little serrations like in there, and this one has the same thing, like little grippers. And then here's the bottom. They're identical. Just new. So, looks like good ones. I'd put some of that clear dielectric grease, that silicone grease, I think it is. I didn't put it on the terminal. I put it over the top of the, I just smeared it. After I had it mounted, I put it on top. So I'm going to clean these with, I'm just using this stuff. I use this for, it's like wax and grease remover, except it's just more powerful. That's what I think about it. You know, could be wrong, but I've used this stuff for years. The wax and grease remover doesn't seem like it's as powerful, and this stuff is great for taking off stickers and stuff. It's like pulling off side moldings and getting the gluey stuff off. Works great for that. I'll clean my terminals here. Clean this out. Get a nice. It dries pretty quick. I'll just let it dry there for a couple of minutes. I had this battery insulator backwards, so I had to take the hold downs out. Flip this around. Yeah, because that ground went like this. It was back here. You saw I had it like cocked sideways over there. So I'll put this back together. And I cleaned this with some of that same stuff to get any of the grease off or anything. I'm not going to, I was going to take a Scotch-Brite to them, but ain't no point in tearing off more of the coating. As long as it's nice and clean. No grease, oil, nothing. Should be good. And then I'm just going to go ahead and tighten this one up. And I'll put the other one on. Okay, so I got it all buttoned up. I'm going to use some of this multi-synthetic grease. It's dielectric, food grade, heavy duty. It's just like a clear, like when you put on spark plug boots, it's that kind of stuff. Just gonna rub some on here, and then I'll be button this up. So, thanks for watching.